Introduction to Outlook Email Automation.
Struggling to keep your inbox organized? Outlook's built-in rules and filters can help. With simple automations, emails are sorted, labeled, and managed for you. This guide walks you through setting up Outlook rules for a smoother email workflow, saving you time and reducing inbox clutter.
Accessing rules and filters in Outlook.
To begin, open Outlook and head to the Home tab. Look for the Rules button, usually found in the Move group. Click it, then select Manage Rules and Alerts from the drop-down menu. This opens the Rules and Alerts dialog, where you can manage and create rules for your inbox.
Creating a new rule for organization.
In the Rules and Alerts dialog, click New Rule. Choose a template, or start with a blank rule for a custom setup. For example, you can pick Move Messages from someone to a folder to automatically sort emails from specific contacts. Follow the step-by-step wizard to set conditions and actions.
Setting conditions and actions.
Define the rule's triggers, such as sender address, subject keywords, or specific recipients. After choosing your conditions, select the actions Outlook should take, like moving emails to a folder, marking them as important, or forwarding them. Finish by naming your rule and reviewing your selections.
Managing and testing your Outlook rules.
Once your rules are set up, you can reorder, edit, or delete them anytime from the Rules and Alerts dialog. Test your new rules by sending a test email or dragging existing messages into your inbox. Adjust your settings as needed to fine-tune your automated workflow and keep your inbox organized.